Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something a little different. We're not going to do any hauls, go over any palettes or anything like that. Today we are going to learn how to make my awesome Pokemon Beauty Blender holder. You're wondering what that looks like? It looks like this. Ta-da! Of course, if you see my previous videos, you know I love Pokemon. And if you haven't seen my previous videos, you can go ahead and check that out later. Now, as you can see, it can hold a beauty blender. It can hold a few beauty blenders in just one ball. So we're going to have some fun making it. I have a ton of balls here. I got the regular Pokeball, got the Ultra one. I'm not going to go into the different types because that would take way too long. In order to make our awesome beauty blender holder, we are going to need a glue gun, some glue sticks. We're going to need a box. Now, this is just the box that I chose. You can get any box, anything that, or it doesn't even have to be a box, anything that it can stand on. You can glue the Pokeballs too. Now, I liked the Melissa and Doug box because, one, my son loves arts and crafts, he loves playing, so he gets to do it. And then I get to keep the box afterwards because it has, you know, all the stuff comes out and then there's a space underneath. So I put the balls up here, the space underneath, I hide stuff under it. Shh, don't tell anyone. Last but not least, this part is optional. Where did I put it? Hold on. This part is optional, but I got just a cheap pair of little leggings here. I'm going to cut it up and use it to cover the box. Now, you don't necessarily have to cover the box. You could just leave it right on top. But in case you do want to, you know, give it one wash of color, you can also paint it. You can do other things. You don't have to necessarily cover it with a cloth. But with my original one, I did cover it with a cloth. So that's enough talking. Let's get started and make our beauty blender holders. Alright, well, as you can see, we are done with our awesome Pokeball blenders. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial. Bear with me if I forgot to mention something and all that good stuff. It's my first time doing a tutorial like this one. But yeah, I would love to see if you guys make this, you know, your own personal way, with your own style. You don't have to do it in line. You can do it in any design you want. I hope you enjoyed that video. I had a lot of fun making it. But yeah, there she is. Now, here is the deal with this guy. I'm going to put this in the giveaway that is still ongoing. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, in my previous video where I reviewed the Elsa and the Olivia palettes by Beauty Creations, I'm going to add this to that giveaway. At the end of that video, I said something else was going to be added. This is it. So this is very personal to me. This is something you can't buy anywhere, so it just makes the giveaway even more special. Now, I forgot to mention that video, but the end date of that giveaway is April 30th. I hope you guys are excited for that giveaway. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, you can go ahead and watch those videos. I'll leave a link down below, and you guys can, you know, watch that video. Yeah, go watch it.
Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
Okay, well, that concludes the video for today. I do want to show you guys one thing that I did get. I know I said in the beginning of this video that it was going to be like any beauty related things other than this, but I'm like really excited about this. Now, this is by the Crayon Case. Now, these are eye brush pencils. Excuse me. Hold on. They're just so freaking cute. The reason why, excuse me, I am showing you guys this now is because I'm going to review this along with other things that I bought from the Crayon Case company. By the way, they feel just so good, and I've heard nothing but good things about these guys, so I cannot wait to try these, and stay tuned for that video because I'm really excited about it. So I want you guys to be excited about it too. Alright, enough is enough. That's enough. I'm done talking. Done. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.